If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the slip stitch. The slip stitch is used to form a circle, to join around, to move across a row without adding height, and is sometimes combined with other stitches and patterns. I have a row of double crochet stitches. If I wanted to create a row of slip stitches, I would chain one and turn. I insert my hook under both loops of the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loops, and then pull through the loop on my hook. There is only one yarn over when you're making a slip stitch. So you insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Again, insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. As you can see, there's very little height difference between where I have slip stitched and the remainder of the row. To use the slip stitch to form a circle, I will chain 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll make a slip stitch by inserting my hook into the first chain stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop, and then pull through the loop on my hook, and that creates a circle. Combining the slip stitch with the half double crochet creates a stitch called the crunch stitch, an interesting and versatile pattern that can be used for dishcloths, coasters, scarves, afghans, just to name a few. I'll be posting the video with instructions next week. If something wasn't clear, or if you have questions, please pop them into the comments. I'll do my best to clear things up and answer your questions. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.